Do you did you saw who did you saw the one part? Part 1? I guess you have. So, did you know who's the... Raise your hand if you like the cruiser. What about the Dodge? I think Dodge is cooler, so he gets to ride the Dodge. Then the cruiser has a winch. This one has a winch. This one has bumper. This one has a tire in the back. So this is more energy, and this is not energy. Watch this. And this can do that. No, that cruiser can't do that. What about this? What? No. I didn't shut it.
You didn't shut it off? Why is it like that?
I don't know why. Maybe if you do the mouse, or it lose power.
No, it lose power back.
Mom, when's Uncle Roland coming?
I don't know, probably it's not running. It's already 12.
He missed.
Weird.
They get some of the Best Buy. And every time it shut off to orange when it's been a while. So it's been shut off been a while.
Why is it doing this way?
I don't know. I love 12. It's a good year. We know. So, that. So if you want, so I've been chatting with my mom. Sorry. So, new bra. I just got it for Christmas because it was a secret. Whoa. Ooh, this is a good cruiser. I unwrapped this cruiser, and that's my favorite. Chase. Chase rocks. I rock. Woohoo. 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 Let's see. Wick, wick, wick. Woohoo. I love that. I wish I had all my best friends. Wait a minute. On my birthday, I'm going to get them. Huh? On my birthday, I don't know what I should get. I'll give Kelly something. I'll give her... next is Marshall. On my birthday, it's going to be Marshall. Yoo-hoo, I'm going to meet Marshall. I think it's going to be Marshall or Rocky. Izuma Sky. Or maybe Everest. I never saw Everest before. Hindu pup. Anyway, see you to go. See you. So anyway, there's no part 3. So have a great day. Woo! Woohoo! This is awesome. Radios are awesome. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.